Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jeba's. Summer's here and aren't we all craving ice creams? Here I bring a super easy homemade vanilla ice cream recipe for you. First, place the mixing bowl and the beater in the refrigerator overnight. Then add 250 ml of whipping cream to the chilled mixing bowl and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. If your vanilla essence is of good quality, you will get the best results. Beat this mixture using an electric beater on a medium speed until soft peaks arise. Do follow me on Facebook and Insta, and I'll leave the link below in the description box for you. Then add 200 ml of condensed milk, and again beat this mixture on a high speed for another 10 to 15 minutes. Try this recipe in your kitchen and share your experiences in the comment section below. Now check the sweetness, and if you feel that it isn't enough for you, then add 1 or 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and again beat on a medium to high speed until you get stiff peaks. You know, summers and ice creams are synonymous. Most of us like to have some ice cream during the summers. Every once in a while, stop whisking, scrape the sides using a spatula, and continue to whip the mixture again. Once stiff peaks are formed, transfer the whipped mixture to a container. You know, this vanilla ice cream recipe is super easy to make with very few ingredients and without any ice cream maker. Level the mixture using a spatula and cover it with an airtight lid so that our ice cream doesn't crystallize. Now freeze this dessert for 8 hours or overnight. After 8 hours, our ice cream is frozen and ready to be served. See how creamy it is? Scoop a ball of ice cream and serve it with toppings of your choice, which may be dried fruits, toasted nuts or fruits, and you can even top it with a chocolate sauce or a caramel sauce, or you can even pair it with a warm waffle or a brownie or gulab jamun or gajar ka halwa, anything of your choice. This vanilla ice cream is so versatile, you can also use it to make milkshakes. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll meet you with another delicious recipe next week. Until then, it's Jeba signing off. Bye-bye.